Fill your jug with fresh, cold milk between the min and max markings. Before you begin texturing, we recommend you purge the steam wand first by pressing the steam button and allowing steam to build to full pressure. Then press again to stop. Insert the steam wand into the jug, with the tip below the surface of the milk. Make sure the milk jug rests on the temperature sensor located on the drip tray, and the milk is covering the steam tip. Press the milk temp and milk foam to select your desired settings and then press the steam button. This will flash while texturing. Once the selected milk temperature is reached, the milk texturing will stop automatically. Lift up the steam wand and give it a wipe with a damp cloth. Shifting it back down will activate automatic purging, which cleans the wand tip of any milk residue. Remember, different brands of milk and milk alternatives will texture differently, so you may need to adjust your temperature and texture levels accordingly.